In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a parameter to a dashboard in Tableau in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process that will enhance your data visualization capabilities. First, you'll want to launch the Tableau application on your computer. Whether you're opening it for the first time today, or it's already a staple in your daily workflow, getting started is as easy as pie. You'll find Tableau's interface intuitive and ready for you to begin crafting insightful visualizations. Once you're inside Tableau, navigate to your worksheet. This is where the magic happens. Your worksheet is the canvas for your data, providing you with the tools to paint insightful pictures of your data sets. Make sure you're accessing the correct worksheet where you want to add a parameter. This will be our primary workspace during this tutorial. Now let's redirect our attention to the Dashboard tab. The dashboard is where you bring together multiple worksheets to tell a cohesive story. Here, each element can interact, giving your audience a dynamic view of your data. The flow from worksheet to dashboard will allow you to compile and rearrange your data presentations effectively. With your dashboard open, proceed to select the specific sheet where you wish to incorporate a parameter. Choosing the right sheet is crucial as it will determine the focus of your parameter. Ensure that the sheet you're selecting is one where adding a parameter will provide valuable insights or improve interactivity for your viewers. Before adding a parameter, confirm that the sheet has a parameter created. If not, take a moment to set one up. Parameters act as user input variables, allowing you and your dashboard viewers to engage dynamically with the data. These are essential for enhancing interactivity and user engagement with your data. Next, locate and click on the drop-down menu in the Tableau interface. This menu is a hub of options that will guide you toward your goal. It's where you can access various elements related to your sheet and expand your worksheet functionalities. In the drop-down menu, navigate to the Parameters section. This section is integral to customizing how viewers will interact with your dashboard. Here you can choose from existing parameters or create new ones tailored to your analytical needs. Finally, select the parameter that aligns with your sheet's requirements. Ensure it's relevant to the data you're presenting and accommodates your analytical objectives. Once selected, your dashboard will reflect this new capability, providing even deeper insights and enhanced user interactivity. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've not only learned how to add a parameter to your Tableau dashboard, but also how to use it to enrich your data storytelling. This skill will undeniably elevate your data visualization projects. Happy analyzing!